Hey Deborah, it's Chad here at Cajon Mitsubishi. Just wanted to send you a quick video about this 2018 Kia Soul you inquired about. I want to give you a little bit of information on it as well as show you some of the highlights of it. So as we walk around, just look at the condition of the car. Look how there's literally no dents or dings in this car at all. As you can see, it's in excellent condition, starting at the front there. While we're on the front, I'm going to go ahead and bring up the fact that the car does have brand new oil filter, new air filter, and new cabin air filter. Looking down here at the tires, notice the tires do look new. They are a 9 out of 10, so excellent tires. Brakes are also new as well. Working our way down the side of the car, I do want to show you one thing that's kept this car looking so good. If you look real close right here at the edge of the door, you'll notice there's this door edge guard that goes there to protect the door from door dings. And if you look at the back door, they also have it installed there. And even down here at the bottom, you can see the outer line right there to protect the paint from rock chips from that back tire. Speaking of the tires, these are Bridgestone tires, and they are alloy wheels, so they save weight as well as help with gas mileage. Speaking of gas mileage, the car does get 25 miles per gallon on the city and 30 on the highway. Real economical. There you go. So now you've seen all the way around it. You've noticed there's no dents, no dinks, no scratches on it. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of it, starting off here in the back. As you can see, there's a pretty decent amount of cargo space back here. You'll notice your floor mats are also back here. We like to keep those out of the floors of the car until the car is sold. That way we keep them in a little bit better condition. Looking around here, notice you have a light back there. You also have a little bit of additional storage if you look down underneath here. Back seats, of course, do fold down. I will show you that, but I do want to show you the condition of the back seats instead. So with that being said, let's go ahead and look back here. There's a really nice clean interior. There's no rips, no tears, and if the smell could transfer to video, I'm telling you, the smell of this car is awesome. This car has never been smoked in. It smells really good in here. So obviously it is a 5-passenger. I'll go ahead and hop into the front seat. Now this car does have, of course, power windows, power door locks, cruise control, and Bluetooth. Looking down here, you notice the car has 38,812 miles. To the steering wheel, all your steering wheel mounted controls, Bluetooth, audio, cruise control. Down here at the screen, so a lot of power options down there, as well as an aux cable, automatic transmission, of course. Looking in the glove box, nice big glove box with the owner's manual still in here, so you do get the owner's manual when you get this car. Alright Deb, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you like the car. If you do like the car, make sure you just send me an email back and I will respond to you. Let me know how I can help you out further. Thanks, Deb.